10x abrasives require a certain pressure. For us, we recommend at least 100 psi. If you can get to 110 or 120, that's preferred. When you're measuring that pressure, we prefer that it's measured as close to the nozzle as possible, preferably 10 to 15 feet away. If you're measuring at the pot or at the compressor, it's not going to give you an accurate reading. Now, it's really quite simple. All you need to do is take a needle gauge. Once you have your needle gauge, get close to, like I said, 10 to 15 feet away, and make sure that you're inserting in the same direction as the abrasive is flowing. If you insert it in the opposite direction as the abrasive is flowing, you're going to destroy your needle really quickly. Once it's inserted, let the blaster continue to blast for about 30 seconds to a minute. That gives them enough time to get the system fully loaded and for the pressure to stabilize out. Once it's stabilized out, get your reading. You want to be at a minimum of 100 psi for standard blasting operations. We recommend being at 110 psi or higher to get the most optimal performance from 10x abrasives. After you've got your reading, go ahead and just pull it back out. That's all you have to do. It's quite simple.